Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Next, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Here, choose an option debit or credit card. Now tap Continue. You'll see two options. You can scan your card with your camera, or you can enter the details manually. Fill in your card information like your card number, expiry date, and your name if it doesn't autofill. Next, your bank will ask for verification. This can be a text message, a phone call, or through your banking app. Follow the steps they show on the screen. Once it's verified, your card will be added to Apple Wallet. Now you can use Apple Pay anywhere it's accepted. And that's it. You successfully add your card to Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips.